The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Let's start in the tropics where we have a lot to talk about. Let's first talk about the tropical waves. We've got one shower and thunderstorm cluster off of the shore of Africa. National Hurricane Center says it may not take much longer for that to develop into something. And you'll notice in the middle part of the Atlantic Ocean, we've got a tropical wave. This one really isn't concerning. We do have Gaston, a tropical storm situated not too far at all from the Azores. For the most part, Gaston is just going to stay a fish storm. We have Hurricane Fiona, a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 130 miles per hour. There's Bermuda right here. Looks like the path is going to go just to the west of Bermuda, which is great news for them, although they probably still will get some rain and wind as we head Thursday night or Friday morning. And then Fiona is going to head up towards the maritime provinces of Canada, perhaps towards Nova Scotia, and provide a whole lot of rain and wind towards the maritime provinces of Canada. Fiona is not going to do much to the eastern seaboard except bring some rip currents. I saved this one for last because this one really needs to be watched. It is not a tropical depression. It is not a tropical storm just yet. However, it's expected to do that, strengthen, and become a named storm here within about the next 2 to 3 days at the most. It's going to emerge in the Caribbean, head towards Jamaica, maybe clip the Yucatan, and then may emerge into the Gulf of Mexico next week. This one is the one that is of most concern to us, not only here locally, but in the United States. And when she does become named, her name will be Hermine. Next name on the list after Hermine will be Ian. Hopefully don't even get to that I name. Here's a look at the regional view, and you'll notice that we do have some showers and thunderstorms north and west of us. That's our cold front. That's our next weather maker. That's what's going to swing in tomorrow. But you'll notice it just isn't going to do a whole lot to us. Yes, it could bring some spotty showers and a couple of thunderstorms as we head into Thursday. It will increase our wind, but the main thing it's going to do is really cool us down. We were in the 80s, well into the 80s, even close to 90 today. We're going to be in the 60s and 70s for daytime highs as we head into the day on Friday. And once that cool air is here, it's going to certainly stay in place as we head into Saturday. But before that happens, tomorrow, again, a couple of storms could pack a little bit of a punch for us. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center has this area shaded in green. Our southeasternmost area includes parts of Charlotte, Halifax, and Pittsylvania counties, and a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5. And if a storm can strengthen enough, it could produce some strong winds as we head into tomorrow afternoon. But again, I'm not too terribly concerned with the threat for severe weather tomorrow, and not all of us are going to get wet by any means. Look at this muggy meter tomorrow. You can plainly see when the cold front's going to swing through. The dew points in the morning are well in the 60s. By dinner time, those dew points fall into the 40s. So the dew points go way down. The humidity drops very quickly tomorrow. It's going to be muggy to start the day, dry, feeling good to end the day. 70 right now in Roanoke, 67 Lynchburg, 61 Wytheville, low to mid 60s across South Side. High temperatures tomorrow as we go zone by zone, 79 in the NRV, 81 in the Highlands, 84 Roanoke. You're in the middle 80s in Lynchburg and South Side as well. Your forecast for tonight, mild, muggy, maybe a stray shower into our westernmost counties. Otherwise, overnight lows tonight 62 to 68. For tomorrow, a little more cloud cover, spotty showers, couple of thunderstorms. Told you about those highs in the 70s and 80s. You're going to be much warmer southeast than you will be northwest tomorrow because the front's going to take a little more time to get through you. All right, extended forecast. Low to mid 70s Friday, Saturday, bumping up to 80 Sunday. Then we're back in the 70s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Looking at the weekend, Saturday looks really pretty. Sunday, not so much. More clouds and a better chance for rain as we head Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening.